Welcome to our video lesson on importing a student roster. Entering student data is very similar to entering teacher data, which we covered in the previous videos, importing a teacher roster and manually entering a teacher. You have two options for entering students. You can import a student roster or manually enter the data. In this video, we'll demonstrate importing a student roster. To import a student roster, from the home screen, locate the Students button and click on it, and then locate the Import List button on the left-hand side of the screen and click on it. From the Import Students window that pops up, locate the Download a Template Import File link and click on it. At the time a school is created, the district administrator can have SkillsTutor create any number of custom-defined import fields for the school district. For students, the following fields are required: last name, first name, and username, as we see at the top of this. Password and grade are custom fields. Now, here is an example that I've mocked up of a school's current student list. I'm going to copy the current student list, and then I'm going to paste that information from my student roster into the import file. So I've pasted that into the template, and I am going to save this information. So I'm going to come here, click on that. I'm going to save this as school import. The save as type I'm saving is a CSV, comma delimited file type. And then I'm going to click save, and I've saved it to my desktop so that I can find it. So I'm going to click browse. I'm on my desktop. I'm going to locate my school import CSV file and click on it. And that has loaded into this field. And once it loads, I'm going to click submit. And here we can see all the students have been entered into SkillsTutor: last name, first name, username, and then the custom fields of password and grade. So we can see all these fields across the top are required. And then we have our custom fields. Once we have entered the student roster, everything looks fine. We click yes to add the students, and then we read the comments that come up here because they're asking us specific questions, whether we want to import files that don't exist in the current import file, read through the final changes. Once everything looks good, it's asking, do you want to make these changes now? You click continue, and we can see that all these students are now imported into SkillsTutor. Our custom field can be expanded by clicking here, clicking continue, and now we can see that all of our students are added, and we can see the grades that were imported. That's how you import a student. You have reached the end of this lesson. Please check back often as we continue to update our video library with helpful videos on using your SkillsTutor software.